Imagine getting a call from your boss. They sound urgent, they sound real, they ask you to transfer money, right now, you don't hesitate. But here's the twist. It wasn't your boss. It was AI. Welcome to the new era of cybercrime, where phishing isn't just emails anymore. It's deepfakes, voice cloning, and AI-powered deception. Traditional phishing used to be easy to spot: bad grammar, suspicious links, and generic messages, but AI has changed the game. AI phishing uses machine learning and generative AI to create hyper-realistic emails, cloned voices, deepfake videos, and personalized attacks using your digital footprint. This means attackers can now mimic your CEO, your coworker, even your family members, and they do it convincingly. Deepfakes are, AI-generated videos or audio that can, replicate a real person's appearance or even their voice. So, just imagine this for a second: a video message from your company's executive pops up on Slack or Teams, and they're instructing you to, approve a transaction. Everything about it looks real: facial expressions, tone, even the background. But here's the thing: it's completely fake. Cybercriminals are actually using deepfakes to bypass trust, manipulate employees, and, execute high-value fraud. Voice cloning is, honestly, even scarier. With just a few seconds of audio, maybe from a YouTube video, a voicemail, or even a clip from social media, AI can, replicate someone's voice almost perfectly. So, let's look at a real-world example. An employee gets a call from someone who sounds just like their CEO. The CEO urgently asks them to make a wire transfer. The employee goes ahead and does it. The result: thousands, or even millions, are lost. This is called phishing, or voice phishing. And honestly, AI has made it extremely dangerous. Here's why these attacks are actually working. Personalization at scale. AI can scrape LinkedIn, social media, and company websites to gather tons of information. Then, it's all about speed and automation. Thousands of tailored attacks can be launched instantly. And let's not forget human psychology. Urgency plus authority usually equals compliance. There's also trust exploitation. People naturally trust familiar voices and faces. So, in short, AI removes the red flags we use to rely on. Now, here's the important part. How do you stay safe? First, verify. Always. If someone asks for money, sensitive data, or wants you to take urgent action, call them back using a known number. Don't just trust the incoming request blindly. Second, use a safe word system. Organizations and families can set up special verification phrases for sensitive requests. It's simple, but it really works. Be skeptical of urgency. Attackers often create panic so you don't have time to think. So, just pause, verify, then act. Also, limit what you share online. Your voice, videos, and personal details can, honestly, be weaponized. And don't forget to enable multi-factor authentication. Even if your credentials are stolen, MFA adds a strong layer of defense. Finally, train employees regularly. Security awareness is really your first line of defense. If you're a business leader, this is critical. Implement zero-trust security models. Make sure you require multi-person approval for financial transactions. Deploy AI detection tools for deepfakes, and, of course, log and monitor unusual communication patterns. Cybersecurity is no longer optional, it's survival. AI is evolving fast, and so are attackers. We're heading toward real-time deepfake video calls, fully automated social engineering, and AI bots that interact just like humans. The line between real and fake is, honestly, blurring. AI is powerful, but it's a double-edged sword. The same technology that drives innovation is now fueling the next generation of cyber threats. Stay informed, stay cautious, stay secure. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Because in today's world, trust needs verification.